Join me as I spend an incredible month exploring the heart of South America, across Peru and Bolivia. From high altitude hikes and mysterious ancient ruins, to meeting new faces and tasting new flavours, every day was an adventure. This journey follows the famous Gringo Trail, but with a few unexpected detours. So, if you love exploration, mystery and moments that make you feel alive, subscribe and follow along. But first, here's my adventure for today. So, today's adventure is Death Road mountain biking. So I'm just heading towards the meeting point for 7 AM. This was the Bolivian adventure I'd been waiting for, the one I absolutely had to tick off. My 11 fellow cyclists joined me as our van crawled up our way towards the Laguna, my 4,700 metre starting point. My jacket, let's just see if they fit. Just a little test ride, just test the gears, test the brakes, test the saddle height. With our final safety briefing done and our team photo taken, it was now game on. I started slowly to begin with, just to get used to the bike, the balance, the terrain. You know, that only lasted 2 minutes. But it didn't take long before gravity took over. We rode in formation as a pack, with our guide up front and a guide in the back, and the support fan trailing behind us, like our safety net on wheels. And honestly, it just makes you feel safe and supported, and it allowed me just to enjoy the ride.
On your left! That's great!
The road in front, it looked smooth. Well, that was until it wasn't. There were little pockets of even asphalt and sneaky little potholes, you know, that kept me honest. So, don't forget, both hands on the handlebars at all times.
Yeah, the bends are the best, aren't they?
So we've just come off the asphalt section, so that's about half of the route. I think that's about 32k. But we've just come off of that surface to this surface, and we're just going to take our time going down here. So we have a tiny little bit of uphill, so we're loading the bikes on the van to go up the uphill bit, and then we're proper transitioning to the gravel until we get to the jump. Right, so we've just stopped to get the bikes off. And to start this route. So this is the route that we're going down, so this is the gravel, but you can actually see the route we're going to be taking down the Death Road mountain bike tour route path. And apparently it's going to get a little bit warmer, so I'm going to take off some of the layers, I think. Let's do it! Let's do this!
Are they condors? No, no. Not condors. Ah, well, they look big.
So I've just got to tell you about what Death Road is, officially called the Yungas Road. It's a legendary 64-kilometre ribbon of dirt carved into the side of Bolivia's steep jungle cliffs. For decades it held the notorious title of the world's most dangerous road, with sheer 600-metre drops, no guardrails to speak of, waterfalls crashing straight onto the track, and barely enough space for one vehicle at a time.
Keeping the eyes forward. Here we go.
Originally built in the 1930s, it was the only route linking the cold, high-altitude Andes to the humid Amazon below, and it became infamous for claiming trucks, buses and lives. Today, the old road is a bucket list mountain biking challenge. Dramatic, vertical, wild and unlike anything else on Earth.
Oh, the old testosterone's going between all of the bloke bike riders. Who wants to be pole position? Whoa, look at that! Good angle. Oh, that's a good shot. This is the photo shoot.
So just stopped off for a snack, and this is where we are at the moment, the San Juan waterfalls. We have Coca-Cola, we have some chips, we have sandwiches. Ooh. As we're moving into the tropical zone, we're applying some mosquito repellent.
Okay, so we've had our photo shoot, and now we're continuing along the death road.
Part 2 was a total shift. Cold mountains gone, replaced by warm jungle, waterfalls and deep green cliffs, and honestly, that was the fun part. What I loved most about this was the freedom. You can ride slow and take in the jungle, or push hard for that adrenaline hit. For me, this section wasn't about the destination. It was about the ride, the feeling, the freedom.
Survive.
Yeah!
Good job.
As our amazing bike ride drew to a close, we pulled into La Senda Verde Animal Refuge for a late pasta and salad lunch. The setting was lush, peaceful and full of life. There were monkeys, birds, bears, jaguars, but they were all rescued from traffickers, mostly taken in as babies. I'm not sure if you can hear this. Yeah, up there somewhere. I think they might be the howler monkeys, but they're growling, whatever they are. Listen. like being in Jurassic Park, look. It's not keeping the animals out, it's keeping us in, safe. Very sad to see. Very. With the day winding down, we piled back into the van and began the long climb from the warm tropical Yungas all the way back to the thin air of the Andes. Everyone half silent, half buzzing from what we'd just done. I'd highly recommend this to anyone. Terrifying name, unforgettable experiences, and absolutely worth every second. This was my Bolivian adventure that I've always wanted to do.